Hello, ducklings. So cute. Hello. Quack,
Maybe
quack,
if you
quack.
wiggle your finger, they'll think it's a worm.
Quack, 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 quack. So cute. Quack, quack, quack. Oh, look.
So cool.
Quack, 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 quack.
More?
Come here.
Oh my god.
Quack, 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 quack. I don't have any food for you. We cannot feed you, I don't think. Well, if it's human food, right?
Look at 'em.
Oh my!
They're trying to bite you.
Will they hurt?
No.
Huh?
It's just a duck.
No?
Look at 'em.
Quack, quack, quack. You're cute. Where's the daddy? We're back to this muddy trail. It's okay. I'm wearing a nice shoe. In where?
It's a duck place.
The one we're going? It's a duck.
Well,
Look at 'em. Oh my god, that is so cute. Look at 'em.
Quack, quack, quack. Are we on the right way? The what? Oh, ang presko ng panahon dito. Back at the parking.